So I'm here at Rod's Customs, and of course I gotta walk all the way down over here, which I might cut out of the video. I brought the car in yesterday, actually. Today I just came in to drop off a spare turbo and the lowering springs, which I forgot to put in the car. But the bad wolf is now the caged wolf until she's ready to go up on the lift, which is hopefully going to be tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're at Rod's Customs. The wolf is in the air and work is going to start today. So first up, we're going to replace the scavenge pump from the standard to that EXA pump from Turbowerx. We're going to move it over onto the side of the car and replace the feed pipe that goes into the turbo and of course down pipe. So we're also going to move the turbo up a little bit, about an inch. When my mechanic did some work on the car a while ago, it caused the turbo to raise up and tilt actually, so it was on about a 30-degree angle, and that was causing oil drain problems, so it probably cost me this turbo. So we're going to move it up about an inch and level it off, and then redo the downpipe from the turbo all the way back to where it joins into the exhaust. This whole section has been removed already, and it's all going to be one pipe, well, one pipe with maybe a couple of bends in it, but they'll be smooth transition bends. Another thing that we notice is that the drain line coming off of the pump is actually an 8 AM line, and it should be -10. So we're going to replace that line. You can notice the difference here. It's quite a bit thicker than the line that's on there now, and that could have been part of the problem with the oil drain issue, beyond the turbo being tilted back itself. The back of the car here, they're gonna give me some more room. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of room there, even with me taking some material off of the sway bar. For the cold side, we're gonna just replace the pipe that comes out of the turbo and goes in the inside of the cooler. A while back, this was years ago, I hit a rock or something on the road and it put a good sized dent, and that pipe didn't do any damage to it, of course, so I just left it. But because the turbo's going to be raised up, this pipe has to be kind of redesigned. So, alright, that's it for the update. I'll keep you posted on the progress.
It's just a driveway project. Just amazing that she built it. I know.
I wish I had her knowledge.
I'll tell you, this is her first time running drag radials, and she's got to learn how to. It's a whole different animal with drag radials. You got to learn how to drive the car all over again.